Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona Beach, Florida. So Omar brought down his Road Glide ST 2022 for a quick 2-speaker setup. I'm back in New Jersey for the weekend. I fly back out to Daytona, Florida on Monday. So we were able to knock out this install for him and I was able to tune it since I was here. Bike had an LP6 headlight, which makes it a little more complicated, but we used the Cicada Flx 1400 amplifier. So it fits beautifully in underneath the radio on the Road Glide. No cutting, fits right in. We used the NVS Audio AK2 amp wiring kit, which does 4-gauge oxen-free copper wire and a set of XT60 connectors for the rear bag speakers that he's going to add later on. We used 2 front channels to drive a set of Cicada Cmx 6.5. And then we did the Cicada MO tweeters in the front grills, HCAM and DSP, NVS Audio T harness. We flashed the factory radio to get the signal flat. And bike sounds really, really good. Went through a whole bunch of different songs, a whole bunch of different genres. I like these speakers because they're 100% weatherproof and they have a nice mid-bass punch and they don't require a ton of power. I like the CMX better than the CHX because the CHX are amazing speakers, but they want to see big power. They want to see 300, 400, 500 watts. The CMX sound great from 150 watts to 300 watts, 400 watts, no problem. They can handle 400 watts. They love 150 to 200 watts. So it works out really, really well in lower power applications and still 100% weatherproof. So check it out. Build came out awesome.
Get into it, man, you know. Like a get up, get on up, stay on the scene, get on up, like a sex machine, get on up, get up, get on up, stay on the scene, get on up, like a sex machine, get on up. Wait a minute, shake your arm, then use your palm, stay on the scene, like a sex machine. You got to have the feeling, sure you're born. Get it together, right on, right on. Get up, get on. Hey! Got to pay back. Revenge. I'm mad. Got to get back. I need some get back.
Me comí un peto sé que compré en el barrio, subió otro nivel y ahora vuelo como Mario.
For those that don't know, our Daytona, Florida location opened up this week and we're doing free tuning the entire month of September in the Daytona location. So if you're near Florida, near Daytona, you want to get your audio looked at and your bike tuned, it's completely free for the entire month of September. Also, we're doing a contest where we're giving away 5 complete audio setups. All you have to do is drop us an email at nvsaudio.contest@gmail.com. We're giving away full system, free install, free everything. We're giving away Euphoria Expert setup, we're giving away a Hertz setup, we're giving away a Gale Force setup, we're giving away a full Cicada setup, and we're giving away a complete precision power setup. So full setup, mid-bass drivers in the bags, speakers in the lids, speakers in the fairing, 2 amplifiers, 100% completely free. To enter, it's completely free and it's simple. nvsaudio.contest@gmail.com. We need to know first name, last name, phone number, email address, picture of the bike, year, make, and model of the bike, and that's it to be entered in the contest. And the only stipulation is you have to bring the bike to our Daytona, Florida location and leave with us until the build's done. Might take a week, might take 2 weeks. That's it. No strings attached, completely free install, done by NVS Audio to NVS Audio standards and tune. Thank you. Have a great night. You only have a few more days. The contest ends Sunday at 12 p.m. and the winner will be announced Sunday night.